Welcome to Rishvi Limited. Once you install the macro, first go to your Linnworks account, then Macro Configuration. Then add new configuration. Here, search for Monitor Unfulfilled Orders Macro. Click Create Configuration. Here, enter configuration name. You can make the new schedule from here. Enter schedule name, select schedule type, one time or recurring. One time will run you macro once, and recurring will run your macro continuously based on your requirements. From here, you can choose frequency, daily or weekly. Select starting date and day or week interval. From here, you can select the particular days also. From here, you can choose the daily frequency. Occurs once, will run your macro once, and occurs every will runs every hour you choose. Here is the summary. Then click Save. In Parameters, here you can exclude the channels. Here you can add identifier tags. Here you can include the sources. You can set minimum order age hours limit. You can set recipient's name, recipient's email. Then finally, click on Save. You can see here is our macro. You can enable it from here. From here, you can run it manually. Once your macro executes, you'll get this type of email with .csv file. Contact us at info@rishvi.co.uk or visit www.rishvi.co.uk.